Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make pasta in Indian style. This pasta is going to be spicy, colorful and delicious too. Come on, let's get started. Usually pasta is available in different shapes and different varieties. Today I am going to use this fusilli style pasta. Usually the pasta packet which you buy will have the instructions on how long this has to be cooked. Say for example, this one needs to be cooked for 9 to 11 minutes. So each pasta cooking time will vary, so please refer the packing for correct information. And to boil the pasta, I have heated up 4 cups of water. To this add little salt. And today I am going to add 2 cups of pasta. Give it a mix and let it boil for at least 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now and the pasta is cooked to the right level. We have to drain the water and take the pasta separately. For this I'm going to use a colander. Let's prepare the masala. For this I heated up a pan and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can add any cooking oil of your preference. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it starts to splutter, I am going to add 2 chopped garlic. Let it fry for a few seconds. And then I am going to add 1 finely chopped onions. Saute the onion for a few seconds. We need not saute it for a long time. So it has become translucent now. Time to add tomatoes. I am using 1 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well and cook till the tomatoes turn soft. So the tomatoes has been cooked for a minute now. I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can adjust the quantity of chili powder according to your taste. So after adding all the spice powders, mix well and let it cook for a few seconds till the raw smell goes off. Next we are going to add the vegetables. Today I am going to add a handful of green peas and chopped bell pepper. You can add any vegetables of your preference. After adding the vegetables, give it a mix and let it cook in the masala for some time. I am going to add the salt now. Make sure you don't add too much of salt because we have already added some salt while boiling the pasta. After adding salt, mix it well and for the vegetables to get cooked, I am going to add 1/4 cup of water. Reduce the heat to medium and then let it cook for at least 5 minutes. It's been almost 5 minutes now. I am going to add half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and it's the time to add the pasta now. Add the drained pasta and mix well till the masala gets coated with the pasta. Reduce the heat to low and then keep mixing and let it remain for at least a minute. It's all been mixed well now. Finally add some chopped coriander leaves. It gives really good flavor to the pasta. And if you prefer, you can add some grated cheese as well. Mix well and you can turn off the heat. That's all. Our colorful and spicy masala pasta is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.